we are back in my kitchen, Judy's Keto Kitchen. Today, I'm making a broccoli salad. I go to this crochet knitting group every other Sunday, and somebody made a broccoli salad, and I'm like, oh my goodness, this is delicious. How do you make it? So she roughly gave us instructions on how to make it. So this is my first attempt, so here we go. We went to Trader Joe's yesterday. I was so excited. We haven't been to Trader Joe's since we moved to North Carolina, but there's one an hour away, so we went there yesterday and I bought a bag of broccoli heads. So first thing is that you cut the broccoli up into small pieces, and it's going to depend on how big of a piece you want. So we put all of that into our bowl of broccoli. You want some carrots, and I have this little julienne thingy that will julienne the carrots. I've already peeled them, and I'm not a big fan of carrots, so I'm just going to do a little bit. You can also cube them up however you like them, and it just have small pieces, not big julienne pieces. Then you add in, I'm adding in sunflower seeds. You could do nuts, you can do sunflower seeds. I think chopped walnuts or chopped pecans would be really good. I'm just going to do maybe 1/4 of a cup, not quite half a cup. And then this is the whole reason that I made the keto dried cranberries. Because this salad was so good and it called for dried cranberries, and I couldn't find any without sweetener, nothing that had real sugar. So I made my own dehydrated dried cranberries. I put xylitol in mine because that's the only sweetener we can tolerate. So again, I'm not sure how many. I'm just gonna, that might be 1/2 cup. There are no set amounts as to what you want. You want fewer cranberries, you want more nuts, you want different nuts, more carrots, doesn't matter. She used Greek yogurt. We try to be dairy free, so I actually found goat yogurt at Trader Joe's yesterday. No place around me has goat yogurt. If we're going to do any dairy at all, we prefer goat or sheep milk. This has some liquid in it. I'm just going to spoon some of that into here. Again, I don't know how much dressing this will need, so I might end up making too much. And to that, we're going to add some mayonnaise, about equal amounts of mayonnaise and yogurt. Now my mayonnaise is made with vinegar, but just add a little bit of vinegar to this. Now the regular non-keto recipes call for some honey. I don't really like sweet things, so I am not adding. If I wanted to add any sweetener, it would be liquid stevia. You could use any liquid sweetener you want. I'm just going to mix this up well. Now you don't want too much dressing. This is probably going to be way more than I need. I'm just going to add a little bit at a time. You want it lightly coated with dressing. You can always add more if you need it. So here we go. We're just going to add some dressing. Now this will probably taste better in a couple of hours after everything is melded together and it's had time to sit and get the dressing right. All right, now to taste it. Make sure I get some cranberries in there. A little crunch of the sunflower seeds, the sweetener from the cranberries, the tartness from the cranberries. This is delicious. And it's a lot easier to make than I thought. Again, if you want a little sweeter dressing, add a little liquid stevia. Cut everything up to the size you want. You like more carrots, add more carrots. Oh, this is so good. I can't wait for an hour or two after this is all sat for a while. This is gonna be so good. Enjoy.